Welcome to the new video series on basics of Python. So in this course, we'll be discussing about basics of Python. Okay. If you are an advanced programmer, I would suggest that you view my other playlist on data structure plus algo in Python in the same video series, in the same channel. Okay. So let's dive into it. Before starting, a humble request. रिक्वेस्ट है एक नोटबुक ले लीजिए नोटबुक एंड अ पेन एंड प्लीज प्लीज टेक नोट्स ओके फॉर नोट्स प्लीज टेक नोट्स सो दैट यू गेट टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट्स वेरी वेल आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे समझ में आए इसके लिए आपको नोट्स लेना बहुत जरूरी है किसी भी फील्ड में अगर आपको सही से अगर कुछ भी चीज़ जानना है ना तो नोट्स नोट्स लेना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है ओके एंड वन मोर रिक्वेस्ट आपके पास अगर मोबाइल फ़ोन है शायद है मतलब 100% ही होगा एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट वॉचिंग योर this particular video in the mobile I would request you that you keep your mobile in silent or airplane रीज़न क्या है बहुत सारे पॉपअप आते हैं बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे फेसबुक के पॉपअप एंड देन और एप्लीकेशन के पॉपअप बहुत सारे आते हैं जिसमें आपको आपका अटेंशन डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है एंड देन गेटिंग बैक टू द सेम अटेंशन लेवल इट इज लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट सो फॉर 15 मिनट्स 15 to 20 मिनट्स ये वीडियो चलेगा एंड फॉर दैट ड्यूरेशन आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट that you give your 100% concentration in this particular video यही दो रिक्वेस्ट है एंड लेट्स गो अलोंग सो प्रीरिक्विजिट क्या है फॉर दिस कोर्स देयर आर नो प्रीरिक्विजिट ओके कोई प्रीरिक्विजिट नहीं है इवन इफ यू आर न्यू टू प्रोग्रामिंग नो प्रीरिक्विजिट even if you are new to programming you can follow this for new programmers and if you even if you have not done programming in any language then मैं ये समझता हूँ then it is very good for you to start programming in Python okay ठीक है and I'll not go through the other advantages or disadvantages of Python हम लोग वो डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कुछ और वीडियो एक एक वीडियो मैं बना सकता हूँ जिसमें एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ पाइथन आई कैन डिस्कस बट I believe that once you are into this particular video, you want to learn Python. So I'll not go into those details. So I'll jump directly into installing Python, which is required. If I आपके पास अगर कंप्यूटर है तो आपको कंप्यूटर में Python इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. So Python, which version? So Python has different version. The previous version was 3.2. So now will we install, sorry, 2. Python 2 was the one which was used earlier. So now we'll be using Python 3.x. 3.x means x का वैल्यू क्या है x is from 1 to 9 this is the latest okay and यही हम लोग latest वाला जो है वो हम लोग इंस्टॉल करेंगे and I'll show you the complete process what all कौन सा सही because I've seen people struggling with installing Python and using in the command prompt and I'll show you which option to click so that you get your Python installed correctly ठीक है ना and then the second one this is for easier this is the ID what is ID ID is the integrated integrated development environment okay and there are various versions there are uh, Sublime is there Notepad plus plus is there Eclipse is there and Visual Studio Code is also there Visual Studio Code and for this course we'll be using this and I'll show you how to install this particular ID okay where to download I'll give you the link in the description for both Python, the version which you need to install, latest version of Python, and also the link for installing and downloading your Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then we'll go through running. How can we run the first Python program and how easy it is? Okay, ठीक है ना? So let's jump directly into downloading Python. So what I'll search over here, download Python for Windows. Okay, download Python for Windows. When I give, you'll get to see the first link is over here. So I can click on this link and ये मेरा ये आता है. And once I start downloading, I can click on, I'll see this is the 3.9.5, ये latest वाला है. And when I click on this, I get to install over here. ये मेरा install, ये download हो गया. And then when I click on this, it will ask me to install. Okay, it will ask me uh, how can I install this one. Okay, so one important point, ये देख रहे हो install now, customize, so you need to choose this option, but before choosing this you need to select this particular option over here. ये वाला जरूरी है. Add Python 3.9 to path. This will add this particular path, that is the C user I0, whatever is the path for where it is installing. This will add to your to the path of your environment variable of your computer. ठीक है? Once you click on, now once you, so uncheck मत करना, इसको check करना, ये दोनों check रहने देना. Once you check both the options, click on this and it will start installing your Python. Okay, okay. And it will, once you install, you can see the message which is being shown. And similarly, the next one is you can go ahead and then type Visual Studio Code download. Okay, once you give this, you get to this link, you click on this link. Okay, and then you click on this link. Okay, once you click on this, automatically it will download to your this particular file over here, or wherever your download files are there. So you can show in your download folders. In my download, I have my Visual Studio Code. You can have it over here, or you can directly click it from here, or if you do, this is not shown, you can go to download folder and click on this particular file. Once you click on this file, you get to see code is already installed on the system. If for all users we recommend, so it is already installed, so I'll not install again. Otherwise you can go through the options. This is simple one, you go through all the options which are there, install it. Okay, okay. And even if you're not able to go through this particular installation of Visual Studio Code, just let me know. I'll put one more video for, let me know in the comment section. I'll put one more video for installation of your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'll click on no, and this is being installed. Once I have this, and now what I'll do, I'll open Visual Studio. Since I have installed, I'll open Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open folder. I'll go to my folder, over here, Python workspace, Python course, select this. Okay, so I'll close all the stuff. All things which are there, I'll close it. Okay, so this is my Python course over here. So you will have an empty folder. So let's start with an empty folder now. I'll open a folder. For example, you can go and then create. So once you have your folder location, you can create a new folder. YouTube Python course. Okay. I'll select this folder and it went inside. Okay. So now I'll click on new folder. Inside this, I'll create a new folder. Okay. Call session 1. Okay. And inside this, I'll create a new file called, you can give any file name, exercise 1 dot, and generally the extension for Python, any program Python file which you write is .py. Okay, so this is a Python program. So this is your ID will understand this is a Python program which I have. Okay, once you have it, well, see, once you this is my Python which has been successfully installed. Okay, Python 3.9.5 has been set up successfully in my system. You get this set up a successful message, and then you can close this and you can come to your ID, and then so okay, what more work? So we can check how whether Python has been installed or not. So we can go over here, you can go to your search or your Windows, you can type CMD. Okay, you can type CMD and then type, you get your command prompt, you type your the Python space hyphen hyphen version. Once you give this, you get to see this is my Python version which is installed. Okay, so what is the command? Once you install, so the command is, so this is my command. I have Python space hyphen hyphen version, and what I'll get? I'll get 3.9.5 or whichever version you have installed. Okay, fine. Now let's go over here. So similarly, you can check it also from here. I can go to the terminal tab, click on this, go to new terminal. It is same as your command prompt. Okay, so now see where I am right now. I am currently in C Python workspace YouTube Python course. Okay, now inside this I have one more folder. Okay, if I go to my folder structure, if I go to my folder structure, sorry, see, inside your YouTube Python course, I have session 1. Inside this, I have exercise PY. So what I need to do, I first need to go inside this particular folder, CD session 1. Okay, I get into this. Then I can type Python. Okay, I can type Python. Same thing. It's same as my command prompt now. Python hyphen hyphen version. If I give, it will give you was not found, run without. Okay, if I close this and I open it again, let me open it again, I can show it to you. Since I had opened it before install, let's see what is the version now. You get over here, this is my Python YouTube. Now I go into session 1. Now I type Python hyphen hyphen version to check whether Python. So it is now showing that Python is installed. Okay. Now what I do? So here I'll write my first Python program. Okay. So let's, as I told you, I'll tell you how to write your first Python program in a plain paper. Okay. Let's go ahead and then write in a plain paper. So I have my ID, right? Plain paper I have. So what I'll write? I'll use one variable. Okay. I'll use one variable So we'll go, don't worry about this, what is variable, what is not. So we'll go into that message equal to welcome to basics of Python. Okay, no comma, semicolon is required. Okay, the next line, what I can do, print I can give directly message. Okay, not nothing is required. Or I can directly use this particular thing. I can directly use this particular thing inside my print statement. Okay, I can use it directly over here. My another program can be print. So this is a separate program, one more program. Okay, print. This is called exercise 2.py. This is exercise 1.py. Print how are you. Okay, this is another program. And I can use it, or I can use a variable over here. Okay, let's see. So I'll use message equal to, so no space, nothing, no space required. From the first line you can type. If you give a space, it will give an error. Okay, welcome to basics of Python course in my channel. Okay, now print message. Let's see what it gives. What I'll do, I'll type, I'll go to my terminal. Okay, this is my terminal. I'll go over here, I'll give Python and my file name, exercise dot py. What it says, can't open file, error, no such file directory. What is this? Exercise dot, okay, so I need to change it, right? You can give your up arrow and it will come over here. Again, I need to change exercise 1.py. What it says, trace back file line 2, print message, error name, name message, MESSGAE is not defined. MESSAGE, and what is MESSAGE? So this, see this is not defined. So this is a, I have used a different variable name. So I can use this. So I can change this variable AGE and save it. If you change anything, see white arrow, white dot is there. This means it is not saved. Okay. And then you click on Control S, it will save over here. Come to your terminal, type Python exercise 1.py. Welcome to the basics of Python course in my channel. Okay, got it? And even if I go ahead and change it, see, I will change it. It gave to white arrow, and then I come over here, I do it over here. It gave me this particular thing. Okay, I can clear everything, and then I type over here. It gave me the command which was there. Okay, now I've shown you one more file, right? So I can right click on this and tell new file, exercise 2.py. Okay, what I've given, print how are you doing today. Okay, if I give this, and then I just need to change the file name, right? Python exercise exercise 2.py. If I give, how are you doing today? Doing. So I'll change it. Doing today. Fun. You saw it? So we saw how to run your first. We saw done the first part. This is the first one. Then this is the second one. So we wrote two programs today. Okay. Okay. So I hope you learned something. And my request to you is that if you found it to be useful, subscribe to the channel. And I would also request to forward this channel link to your friends so that we can grow a community. So that the community is there, we can grow together and learn together. Okay, it is very much required to learn programming language because the next days the kind of jobs which are coming is that it will be everything would be automated and everybody would be required to learn programming language. So and there is a huge amount of job which is there in the programming field. Okay, so subscribe to the channel and then we'll see you in the next time. Thank you very much. Hope it was very useful for you and it was some kind of knowledge you could gain from this particular video, and we'll see you again in the next video. Okay? Thanks. Have a nice day.